doing soft-boiled eggs today. We've got some boiling water here, and well, almost boiling. When it comes to a boil, we're going to pop in our 3 eggs and let it go for about 7 minutes. I have some cold water here. I'm just going to scoop them up, put them in the cold water, just so I can handle them a little bit. Now they do actually sell a little device that will actually cut the top off your soft-boiled eggs if you don't want to be that messy. Here we have some beautiful soft-boiled eggs that you can have for breakfast with some toast points for dipping. Also, we have some nice Maine blueberry jam here, so enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.